So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Polkadot coin, a ticker symbol DOT or DOT in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, go into your crypto account. Once you're in your crypto account, go to the bottom left here and press on the magnifying glass. Once you're on this screen, simply scroll down to where it says trending categories and press on crypto right here. Once you're on the crypto screen, and if you want to buy Polkadot coin, scroll all the way down to where it says DOT right here, ticker symbol DOT or Polkadot with this purple, or I guess with this pink logo with the P. Press on Polkadot right here. If you want to buy, press buy right here. Now, if you want to put in maybe $1, for example, or however much you want to put in, put up whatever amount you want, press on and continue once that is done. Then once you're in this screen to confirm your purchase, simply just press confirm order, but that is pretty much how you guys can buy Polkadot coin, a ticker symbol DOT in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helps.